I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and today's video is about this blonde unit that I have on my head right now. It is from Ali Julia Hair Company. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. Like I said, it's already pre-colored. They did the dyeing. It's this blonde highlighted unit. It's 24 inches and I believe it's 180% density. All the details is going to be down in the description box. But this hair, even though it has been pre-colored, it still feels super soft with me putting my fingers throughout the hair. I have no red flags that this is going to be a super short length wear of this unit. I feel like it's going to last a long time compared to some other pre-colored wigs. I just, you know, when you're washing it, it snags and everything, you just know it ain't gonna last long. Not this one, it does feel soft. I did not use my purple shampoo, but I know that if you are wanting to, you can, to tone this to get it a little bit more ashier if that's your vibe. And I normally do that. I'm surprised that I didn't, but I'm actually liking how it's looking without doing it. So it's just your preference. Now I did my normal prepping of this wig. I plucked the hairline. I'm glad, let's talk about the construction. I'm really glad that this came with adjustable straps, an elastic band, and combs. I took advantage of it all. This wig is so snug on my head, you guys. I absolutely love taking advantage of all of that because I literally feel like this wig is not going nowhere. It is nowhere. Okay, I really have nothing more to say about it, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you have tried this unit, y'all already know, leave a comment down below, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies.